Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into Meshy.ai, an AI-powered platform that's democratizing 3D content creation. In simple terms, Meshy allows anyone, regardless of their 3D modeling skills, to generate production-ready 3D assets from simple text prompts or single images in just minutes. It's designed to slash the turnaround time for 3D asset creation from days to mere minutes, which is a game-changer for industries from game development to product design. Let's break down its 4 core capabilities. First, text to 3D. You type a description like Polygonus, and Meshy generates a fully textured 3D model in under a minute. Second, image to 3D. You can upload a photo or piece of concept art, and the AI infers its 3D structure, converting it into a model. Third, AI texturing. This is a standout feature. You can upload any 3D model and use text prompts to generate high-quality, realistic textures for it in about 2 minutes, complete with PBR maps for engines like Unity and Unreal. And fourth, animation, which offers a library of over 500 game-ready motions to quickly rig and animate your characters. Using Meshy is straightforward. The platform is cloud-based, so there's no software to install. For a text-to-3D model, you just log in, navigate to the text-to-3D section, and write a detailed prompt. The AI then generates several draft models for you to choose from. You can then generate textures for your selected model and finally download it in various standard formats like FBX, OBJ, or GLB for use in other software. For best results with text prompts, be specific, describe a single object, and use references to known styles. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, Meshy is incredibly fast, turning hours of work into minutes. Its AI texturing is exceptional, and the interface is beginner-friendly. It also supports a wide range of export formats and has a vibrant community. However, it's not perfect. Some users note that the mesh topology can sometimes be messy, requiring cleanup in software like Blender for professional use. The output quality can be inconsistent, and the credit system for the free tier is limited, allowing only around 6 fully textured models per month. So, who is Meshy for? It's a powerful tool for game developers, 3D artists prototyping ideas, product designers, and hobbyists who want to step into 3D creation without a steep learning curve. In conclusion, Meshy.ai truly delivers on its promise of rapid 3D generation and is a leap forward in making 3D content creation accessible. While professional users might need to do some post-processing, the speed and creative freedom it offers are undeniable. For anyone looking to quickly bring their ideas into the third dimension, Meshy.ai is absolutely worth trying. That was Polygonus. Form your own opinion, and don't miss the latest trends. I'll be waiting for you.